Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be seeing daily technical analysis in EUR/USD currency pairs. Before starting the analysis, we'll look at the DXY dollar index also. Let us see where the dollar index is heading, based on which we can decide on the price action for EUR/USD currency pairs. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the dollar index, previously it took support on this trend line. It was on a very nice bullish trend and took resistance at the 97.39, and it was on a very nice downtrend. You can notice that it took support around the area of 95.22 and then it started its bullish trend. Currently when we notice the price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend. Although it is not moving very fastly, it is slowly on a bullish trend and moving on a sideways. It broke the previous resistance level of 95.86 and it has started its bullish trend. So if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to taking resistance at 96.30. While on the retracement also, you can notice that it has taken support on the previous trend line from the higher time frame and bounced back. So this trend line is still acting as a very strong support for the current price action also. So if the dollar index is in a bullish trend, we can expect the EUR/USD currency pairs to be on a bearish side trend. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame in EUR/USD currency pairs. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously this level was acting as a very strong resistance. I have drawn a trend line over here and you can see that price action taking support on this trend line. Here also it has taken support and started its bullish trend and took resistance on this previous trend line or the resistance line and started its bearish trend. I have drawn the support line over here and also the resistance line over here, and this area is going to be acting as a very strong resistance level if the price action bounces back on the bullish trend. Similarly, I have taken the support line or the trend line on the bottom side also, and I have drawn the support line over here also. So this area is going to be acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action. And overall, when we look at the price action, it was on a bullish trend, retraced and taken support on this trend line or the support level, and again went on a bullish trend, taken resistance on the previous trend line or the support line, and currently it is in a very nice retracement. Previously when it retraced, it took support on this trend line and bounced back on the bullish trend, and currently also it has taken support on this trend line or the support line. So looking at the past price action, we can expect the current price action also to take support on this support levels and start its bullish trend. You can also notice that the current price action is forming into a symmetric triangle pattern, which means there is no direction in the price action and overall the currency pairs are moving on a sideways. When we analyze the current price action more closely, the price couldn't break this resistance level of 1.14994 and trend reversal has happened on the bearish side. And also we know from the past price action, this area between this purple line is going to be acting as a very strong support. So even if the price action retraces, we can expect it to taking support on the level of 1.113 and to bounce back on the bullish side. If it manages to break this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, and next level of support is going to be around 1.06. So currently the price action in daily time frame is on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. When we analyze the past price action, it was on a very nice downtrend. At this level, it has given breakout from this trend line or the support line and tested the level of 1.14 and it couldn't manage to break this resistance level, and currently you can notice that it formed into a consolidation and it is in a retracement. And previously it started its bullish trend from this level of 1.11. So we can expect it to retrace up to this support level of 1.11 and to bounce back, because from the higher time frame we know that the current price action is only consolidating, it's not on a directional movement. And when the price action retraces, we can expect the blue color trend line or the support line to be acting as a very strong support, and only when the price action breaks this trend line we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. And we have also higher time frame support line running over here. It has to break this support line also to go and test the higher time frame support level of 1.11. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is in a sideways market and range bound. If both these resistance levels and support levels are not broken, we can expect the sideways market to continue in Euro USD currency pairs. And I have marked the Fibonacci's retracements levels also. You can notice that 1.1299 is the 50% retracement of the bullish trend, and also it correlates with the trend lines also. So first level of support is going to be at the trend line or the support line, and if it manages to break this level, we can expect the next level of support to be at 70% retracement level, which is going to be the purple line also. So we can expect a price action to take support at this level and to bounce back. Only if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect a 100% retracement from the Fibonacci's retracement, which is going to be around 1.11 level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame. So the levels marked within the black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend. We are expecting it to take support on the trend line or the support line, which is going to be around 50% retracement in Fibonacci's tool. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was moving in a very nice bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and found resistance at the level of 1.14. Currently the price action is in a very nice trend reversal or in a retracement. It has broken this trend line also, so we can expect a further fall. So if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support at the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. Only if it breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall in these currency pairs. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for the current price action, and currently the price action has taken support at the level of 1.13 and it is still in a very nice bearish trend. So we can expect the bearish trend to continue and take support on the next level of support, which is going to be around 1.12 for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we have the hourly time frame trend line over here, and I have drawn one more trend line over here, or the resistance line. Currently the price action is in a very nice downtrend, taking resistance at this trend line, and it is in a bearish trend. This area between 1.1496 and 1.137 had been acting as a very strong resistance level. You can notice that price had consolidated within this support and resistance level, and finally it has given a breakout from this support line and it is in a very strong bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is in a bearish retracement. First level of support is going to be at this trend line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line or the trend line over here. This level had been acting as a very strong resistance for the past price action, and from this level it had a very sharp fall on the bearish side, and currently you can notice that the price action is forming into a symmetric triangle pattern, and since the price action was in a bearish trend previously, now it is in a consolidation for now. So if the consolidation completes, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. It will be a trend continuation on the bearish side. So wait for it to break this symmetric triangle pattern and go on a bearish side trade, because overall when we look at the price action from a higher time frame, it is still in a very strong bearish trend. If you are going to take new trades, I would recommend you to take trades based on the higher time frame trend. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values marked inside the black color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice consolidation. There is no direction in the market. Wait for it to break on the bearish side or on the bullish side. But if it breaks on the bullish side, we have a very strong resistance at the level of 1.137. So I am expecting it to break on the bearish side, and if the price action breaks on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1.13, and if the price action breaches this support level, we can expect it to take support on the 4 hours time frame trend line or at the level of 1.12866, and overall trend from the higher time frame is in a bearish side or retracement. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.